Yo, hello friends, and welcome back to a Safuu price prediction. And also, we'll be taking a look at some of the new updates that they have on Twitter, and reviewing some of the things that I like, that I see for the future of Safuu. There's a lot of bullish news that I see, and a lot of actually great tweets that I see with Brian, the CEO, which I want to review with you guys. So here on its official Twitter for Safuu, we have here on this tweet, live full team AMA. Do not miss this, okay? So on May 6th, on 9 a.m., we will have a live AMA where the investors will be able to go on there, talk with the full team, okay? So not just Brian, but the full core team of Safuu. And where any questions that you have about the sustainability, the future for Safuu, this will be a great opportunity for you guys to join the live AMA, and so just have that in your calendar. And it's very important for everyone that's in Safuu and wants to see the future for Safuu grow as well. Make sure to join there and be a part of the community. So we have your other tweets about Safuu Racing, which we talked about. It's very astonishing news that we have for Safuu Racing, something new that they have adapted, and I'm really looking forward for the future of it as well. But we have here for Brian the latest tweet 4 hours ago. If you had a chance to travel back in time and invest in Ethereum, Solana, or AVAX in the first initial days, would you? Take a mental step back and realize with 100% certainty that this time is now with owning Safeway. So it's just a quick, marketing tool that I see with Brian. It's just saying he's comparing Safeway with Ethereum and other projects that have established, and just bringing in an image that in the beginning a lot of people didn't believe in Ethereum, a lot of people didn't believe in AVAX, and he's just establishing trust as well, and letting the community know that if you are in Safeway, this could be a great opportunity as well. Maybe in the beginning stages, a lot of people will not see the same vision, but as we grow with Safeway as well, I like that they're doing everything in their power to gain trust first, instead of gaining as much money as they can from investors. And this is something that I like about Brian as well, the transparencies that he has, and that's something I really like about this project. So we also have for our Safety Protocol latest tweet. So this is a bit earlier on April 21st, but it's saying that there's gonna be a massive we were gonna have like a massive giveaway. People, if you're holding Safety, you will be able to buy and hold, and there's a giveaway of a Tesla. So very nice here. I hope one of our subscribers that's in Safety, I hope you receive a Tesla. That'll be great, actually. But yeah, let's take a look here as well. 12 hours ago, think of Binance Smart Chain. So with the deflationary mechanism for the fire pit, this will have the sustainability in the back of its mind, which is good, because for Seifu, the main important thing is how long can it sustain it. And we know that the APY that they have is fixed, okay, for the full year. So this is something as well that's nice. They have here the sustainable APY and rebase formula, which you could take a look at as well. So alright guys, let's take a look at the recent price history that we see with Seifu. So right off the bat, I'm taking a look at the 15 minutes, because there's a lot more price action that we see, and a lot more targets that we see for Seifu. If we're looking at the lower time frame, instead of we could take a look at the 1 hour as well, but I just want to make sure that you guys are on the same page with me, and with everything that I see with Seifu, since we are at 190 right now, and we were at the 200s before. But as you can see, we have been in a little bit of a downtrend, which is nothing to worry about. We can see here that Safeway has been respecting some zones at about 215. When we were there, we saw that there was a lot of indication, a lot of sell-off that happened at the 200s. So 200 is a very crucial level of resistance that we could take a look at. It's very crucial that we understand that once we broke that level, as you can see here, look at the volume that came right after we broke that level. We were in a downtrend from 215, and this is in a span of 4 days, as you can see here, April 22nd to about April 27th. You can see that we've created a very heavy support level at about 168, where price retest back there once, and we closed there, and then we risen right after. You can see here, we broke out of this descending triangle, as you can see here, retested back at the levels here again, creating a level of another support at 174, which price couldn't break after to test back the liquidity that we have down here at 168. And right after, look at this volume that came. Once we broke this level, once we created, let me zoom in for you guys. Once we zoomed in here, we can see that once we created a level of support here, and we saw this volume coming in with Safuu at the levels of 175. Look at this volume. Came out of this descending triangle, retested back again. Take a look here, guys. Retested back, created. We went up a little bit, tested the demand level again, created a double bottom, as you can see here, and then right after, take a look here, guys. A lot of volume coming in as well. But keep in mind now that in the 15 minutes, there has been a level of resistance that we have at 194. You can see that price at these levels, also right under at 192, is creating a very heavy resistance as of now. And it's important to understand that this level, we can see here, it wicked out of the levels that we had before at 194, but also 192 has been a critical level of resistance because price has been bouncing off of these. So just expect, we are at about 189 now. Let's see how Safuu reacts in the next coming days. Hopefully we can see Safuu come back, retest here, but this will create a double top here at the levels of resistance. So please be cautious if you come at 192. Depending on if we can break this level, retest back at 194, we could see some reversals to 200. But please be in mind that there's also volume to and gaps to be filled in here as well. So if Safuu ever comes back to 177 again, or the levels of support that we have, the protected support at 175, I think this will be great for Safuu in the short term if you want to get into it. So just take a look at here at these levels and be cautious if Safuu ever comes back here. Quick update on Safuu. I hope you guys like it, and I hope to see you on the next one.